Hey everybody, Jamie Jenisic, Team North Idaho Home Hunter over here at Keller Williams Coeur d'Alene Group. If you got questions about things and if you need some help and you're behind on your power bill and you need a hand, give us a call, or you can call your service providers directly. You can call Avista or Kootenai Electric. There's an Idaho Low Income Home Energy Assistance Program. It's called LIHEAP. It says it provides a one-time utility payment on for people that are qualified for households. So if your power or your gas gets turned off, or it's getting close to being turned off, don't wait until it's too late. Call your utility provider and see if you qualify for that program. I know that when Sherry and I, when we started real estate, we were having a really hard time the first year in real estate, and we actually had to go talk to our utility providers and get some help and get on a payment plan. Don't wait until it's too late. There's opportunities out there if you just need to dig into them. So, hey, if you guys need a hand with anything having to do with real estate and taking care of your house, whatnot through this winter, give Team North Idaho Home Hunter a call.